You only live once. If you do it right, once is enough. Success is going from failure to failure without losing your enthusiasm. Yesterday is history. Tomorrow is mystery. Today is a gift of God, which is why we call it the present. The only way that we can live is if we grow. The only way we can grow is if we change. The only way we can change is if we learn. The only way we can learn is if we are exposed. And the only way that we are exposed is if throw ourselves into the open. Talent is luck. The important thing in life is courage. One day your life will flash before your eyes. Make sure it's worth watching. Know the rules well so you can break them effectively. Don't fear failure. Not failure but low aim is the crime. In great attempts, it is glorious even to fail. If you always put limit on everything you do, physical or anything else, it will spread into your work and into your life. There are no limits. There are only plateaus, and you must not stay there. You must go beyond them. Kindness is a language that the deaf can hear and the blind can see. A tiger doesn't lose sleep over the opinion of sheep. Don't practice until you get it right. Practice until you can't get it wrong. You will face many defeats in life, but never let yourself be defeated. Life is never fair, and perhaps it is a good thing for most of us that it is not. If you want happiness for an hour, take a nap. If you want happiness for a day, go for fishing. If you want happiness for a year, inherit a fortune. If you want happiness for a lifetime, help someone else. Whoever is happy will make others happy too. The best and most beautiful thing in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt with the heart. Many of life's failure are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up. In the end, it's not the year in your life that count. It's the life in your years. If you set your goals ridiculously high and it's a failure, you will fail above everyone else's success. Tell me, and I forgot. Teach me, and I remember, involve me, and I learn. If life were predictable, it would cease to be life and be without flavor. Your time limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. Life is what happens when you are busy making other plans. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall.